Hi crafters, this is Amy. Welcome to Creative Creations. Today I'm going to show you how to make envelopes with the Martha Stewart Score Board. I was making these little thank you cards, and they are 3 by 3 inch card, and I needed envelopes for them, so I made them with the Martha Stewart Score Board. So I'm going to show you how I did that. You can actually probably use any scoreboard. The Martha Stewart board comes with this envelope adapter that goes up into the corner here. So the scoreboard actually has some basic measurements to make envelopes. Like an A2 envelope, you would start with an 8.5 and 8.5 sheet of paper. The adapter here has a bunch of measurements on it, and I can give that to you because what you really need is if your scoreboard can do these diagonal scoring. So I am going to make the number 1, which you start with a 5.5 by 5.5 inch piece of paper. So here's my 5.5 sheet of paper. What you want to do, I can do it on the white side here. You line it up 1 inch, 2, 3 here, and you take the scoring tool, and for the 5.5 by 5.5 for your A side, you score at 2 inches, and the B side you score at 2.5. So I'm going to start, this side is going to be my A, and so I'm going to score that at 2. Now you can do this either way. You can turn it all the way around and do the A side. I just find it easier to just turn it 1/4 to keep track of it. And so your B side, 2.5. So here's 2.5. Now this is the, oh, I did that wrong, didn't I? That was the A side here. So this one should be 2.5. Here's A again, and that's at 2. And then here's the second B side, and that's 2.5. We're going to ignore this line right here. Wish I could get that lit better. Okay, you can see that there's a triangle here. Okay, you need to cut those out. So I'm just going to take a scissors, and I'm going to cut these. And you need to cut them straight. That's the edges of your envelope. Again, I'm going to ignore this 2.5 inch score that I did incorrectly. And okay. Then the next thing you do is you fold on your lines. If you feel you need, to use your scoring tool, your folding tool. And there you go. Here's your little envelope. Then I use just some regular glue stick, and we'll put glue here and here. Be sure not to get it inside here, of course. And you can go there. Okay, and there's your little, this is the number 1 envelope. Don't forget to see what the fuss is all about at salehandmadeproducts.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.